In this video, I will explain you new gallery feature for the latest One UI 7 version. So if you have any Samsung device running the latest One UI 7 version, check out this video till end. At the end, I will also show you how to find the hidden Galaxy Lab feature. So let's see start. First feature is the new amazing AI feature. You can quickly search any photos from the sky, sunset, specific bird name, specific person name. So let's see. Open the gallery application on your device. Now tap the search bar and here you can see what are you looking for. So here you can search using the voice or enter the text like we enter the sunset. Now tap on the search bar and you quickly find the photos of the sunset on your Samsung device. So you can quickly find any of these, also find for the any animals, people, like we select the for people name. So here you can find the photo of Parva. So very helpful feature to quickly find the photos. Here we select this. So you can quickly access the any photos from your gallery using the search bar. This is the amazing new added gallery AI feature. Second one is the you can also hide the photo or album from the gallery. So if you have any important photos or you want to hide from the person when you give your phone to your friend and family member, you can hide the photos or album using the gallery. So tap on the gallery, tap on the albums. Now select the album you want to hide. So here we select camera, long press it. Now tap the more button at the bottom right corner. Here you can't find the option of the hide photo or album on your device. So go back. So first of all you need to go to menu, tap on the settings, scroll down. At the end here you can see the about gallery, tap on it. Now tap on the gallery 7 times. Now you can see gallery labs will be enabled. Tap on it until you can see the gallery lab will be available. Now you can see gallery lab is enabled. This is the hidden settings. Now go back. Now again tap on a menu, settings. At the end you can find the gallery labs. Tap on it. Now scroll down until you can see the album entry lock option on your latest One UI 7 device. Make sure to go on this option to lock your albums. Now go back. Now open the gallery. Select the albums from the bottom. Long press the album you want to lock. Tap on a more at the bottom right corner. Now here you can see the lock album option. Tap on it. Now lock the album on your device. Tap on it to unlock it using your fingerprint like this on your device. So very helpful feature. This is the new lock or hide the photo or album on your latest One UI 7 version. Next feature is the create the PDF from the photo on your device. By default, when you open the gallery and select the photo like this and tap on a create, you can't see the PDF option on your device. So if you want to create PDF from the multiple photo, make sure the gallery lab feature is enabled on your device. We already discussed or enable it, how to enable it. So first of all, go to menu on your device, tap the settings, scroll down. At the end, you can see the gallery labs. Make sure enable this feature to create the PDF from the photo on your Samsung device. So tap on it. Now scroll down until you can see the save as a PDF, making a PDF file with images. So toggle on this option. Now go back to gallery, select the photo. Like here we select these two photo on my device. Now tap on a create option at the bottom left corner. Now you can see save as PDF option is now available on your One UI 7 or any other Samsung device. So tap on it. Now save as PDF. Select order default reverse. So we select the default option. Now save the PDF on my device. You can also see here. Here you can full screen chat. Also save as a file. Share with your friends or family member. Print also. So tap on save as a file. Tap on a PDF file or image file. Tap on a done. Now enter the name and tap on save. Now create the PDF file on your Samsung device. So this is the also amazing feature to create PDF from the multiple photos using the gallery application on your latest Samsung One UI 7 device. Eh, and the last one, the most useful, by default when you open the any video on your device, like we open this video on my phone, and here when you tap on the video you can't see the horizontal line. For to quickly check for the, you need to tap on this and you can move like this on your Samsung device. So if you want to show the video seek bar to quickly adjust the video, you need to use this feature. To use this feature, make sure again enable the gallery labs feature on your device. Tap on a menu tab on your device, tap on a settings. Here you can also use this feature. Scroll down and tap on a gallery labs. Again scroll down. Here you can find the option video player mode on a film strip. Tap on it. By default share the default. Now select the non option. Tap on a OK. Now go back and open the same video. Tap on the video and you can see, now you can see the here video seek bar line. You can move like forward or backward using this very helpful feature. You can also see other settings like a share, lock your video. Also you can use this button to double adjust it on your device. Also at the top you can see the GI app or a camera icon. So very helpful feature. If you don't want to use this gallery lab on your device, you can also use the settings and make sure to toggle on open in a video player option. Let's first of all turn off the Galaxy Labs. Scroll down and here we turn off the gallery lab feature, and you can see hide the gallery from your device. Now go to menu settings, make sure open in a video player. This option is make sure turn on to use the feature like again on your device. Just tap on it and you can see the this feature is also available on your device. So this is the all hidden features available on your latest One UI 7 device for your gallery application. So which is your favorite gallery features for the One UI 7 device? Please comment in the below box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.